Welcome to use our artificial intelligence massage chair. Please say hello robot to wake me up.
Hello, welcome to Spine Care. I'm showing to you 4D top model luxury massage chair. Model name is VS986. It's a 4D massage chair, 4D body scanning that measures the length of the spine. 10 sets of auto massage programs. AI voice controller. This is side panels button. This is on off button. From this button you can start the chair. This is zero gravity movement 4D massage chair. 145 centimeter super long SL shape massage. Auto body scanning technology. Back and seat heating therapy with magnetic acupressure stones. Unique thigh stretch massage. Available in this massage chair. This is silver color platform. Here are you showing? It's very long. It's U-shaped pillow. High quality leather. It's head massage pillow. It's cover your head area. Here are you showing head area airbag massage. It's very helpful in blood circulation. It's very helpful in lower back pain. Shoulder double wing butterfly shape comfortable capsule designs. It's a shoulder airbags. It's look like awesome massage chair. It's cover your shoulder area, arms. Airbag cover with a wider area. This is arm area airbags. It's cover your arm area. It's heating massage therapy. This is waist area airbag massage. Combine hardness of massage hand and softness of airbag. It's cover your thigh area, waist area. It's heating therapy and magnetic therapy. It's here are you showing? It's a magnetic therapy stone. This is foot area. It's cover your calf area and foot area, leg and foot. Airbag wrapped whole calf, squeeze foot back massage. It's rubbing massage, scrapping massage in this massage chair. The intensity of airbags 3 different layers. The speed of massage different 3 layers. Setting time from 5 minutes to 45 minutes. The position of massage whole back part point. Head to foot 78 airbags. High quality and skin friendly leather. Zero gravity function available in this massage chair. This is foot extension. Scalable is 20 centimeter. Here are you showing? And down the leg part area. This is side panels button. First is on off buttons. Second is zero gravity. click on this button. You can click the zero gravity massage modes. Here are you showing the chair is going to zero gravity movement. When you sleep, when you take therapy on this massage chair, you feel like a heaven. It's a luxury massage chair. Why? Why we say it's luxury? Because it feels a luxury therapy. Lying on your back brings you deep shape massages. Model name is VS986. This is cervical area. It's kneading, tapping and Sesh2 massage. Here are you showing kneading, tapping and Sesh2 massage and different types of therapy here in this massage chair. This is kneading, tapping and Sesh2 massage. We can set modes from remote. Here are you showing the roller is moving up sides. It's cover your thigh area, waist area from rollers. It's very sleek design. It's golden lookish color. Back side you can see massage modes. Total are 29 massage modes. Here you can see like heating. Hello robot means voice control.
Hello, master.
Start massage.
Okay, turn off the massage.
Stop massage.
Okay, turn off the massage.
Refreshing program. Comfort program. Here different types of massage modes you can see backside.